on your own for September 16th, 2020. Which has a greater value? So you're going to see circles on your screen that are around the or. You will drag that to which one is the greater or the bigger value. Remember, greater also means bigger. So I'm going to write bigger. Now we are comparing these two and we're comparing these two. So 6 squared or 2 to the 4th power. So 6 to the 2nd power or 6 squared or 6 to the power of 2 means what? That means our base, and we're going to see that 6 times, so that means 6 times 6, right? So what is 6 times 6? That means 36. Or 2 to the 4th power. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We see that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that dot means multiply as well as the times. But if I wrote the cross, the times, it may look a little sloppy because I'm not typing it and it's not being written real big. So I'm using the dot here. So what is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 or 2 to the 4th power? Well, what's 2 times 2? That's 4. I'm going to bring everything else down. What's 4 times 2? That is 8. And then I'm going to bring down my 2. What's 8 times 2? 16. So what is bigger, 36 or 16? 36. Duh, Miss S. Alrighty. So we're going to drag that circle over to around the 6 squared. Now, we are going to look at the next one, 7 squared or 5 to the 3rd power. Well, 7 squared, our base is 7. And how many times are we going to see that 7? 2 times. So we're going to have 7 and 7. And what are we doing with those? Oh yeah, multiplying. Well, what is 7 times 7? I know, 49. Duh, Miss S. I know. All right, 5 to the 3rd power. What's our base? Our base is 5. How many times are we going to write 5? We're going to write it 3 times. Now we are going to multiply all of them. 5 times 5 is going to be what? 25. I'm going to bring down this times 5 because I didn't use that yet. I only used these two. So 25 times 5. If you think of quarters, if you have 4 quarters, a quarter is 25 cents. If you think of 4 quarters, that's $1. But if I add a 5th quarter, that's $1.25 or 125. Oh my goodness. So what's bigger, 49 or 125? Obviously 125. We'd rather have $125 than $49. Duh. All right, let's go to the next part. Complete the table. Bing, bing, bing. All right, exponential form. We have all those exponential forms. The expanded form is blank as well as the standard form. So this one, the expanded form, 5 squared or 5 to the 2nd power. What are we going to write there? What is our base? So our base is 5, right? And how many times have we seen that 5? 2 times. That exponent tells us 2 times. So it's 5 times 5. That's written for us. What is 5 times 5? It's 25. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I'm telling you guys, you're getting better and better already. Okay. Now, 3 to the 3rd power, or 3 cubed. We are going to see our base is going to be 3. And how many times have we seen that 3? 3 times. Now, 3 times 3 times 3 is not 9. I apologize. Only 3 times 3 is 9. So if we have 3 times 3 is 9, what is 9 times 3? 27. Remember that 9 trick? 9, and then you have not times 3, you're going to put your 3rd finger down. 27. 27. Woohoo! All right, now we're going to write it on our own. 10 squared means we're going to have 10. And how many times are we going to see that? Oh, 2 times. So 10 and 10. And what are we doing between there? We are multiplying them just like we did up here with our expanded form. What is 10 times 10? That's 100. Remember, also another shortcut for some of you who are ready for the shortcut. If you want to listen, listen. If not, plug your ears. That's fine. But then make sure you open them for this one. But if you see a 10 with a power, that 10 is going to tell you you're going to have the 1, and that's going to be how many zeros? This 2 is going to be zeros. So 1, and then you have 2 zeros. So 100. So we are correct. Now, 3 to the 4th power. What's our base? Our base is 3. And that 3, we're going to see how many times? 4 times. So 3, 3, 3, and 3. Now we're multiplying. Remember, we're multiplying, so you're going to type that in that box there, and it'll fit much nicer on your computer screen than my big old handwriting. So we are going to now write it in standard form, or the evaluation of it. So what is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3? Well, what's 3 times 3, everyone? That's 9. I'm going to bring down everything I didn't use yet. What's 9 times 3? Oh yeah, 27. Times 3. 27 times 3, you can write it off to the side. You can do 27, 27, 27 and add them, but you can do 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2. Sorry, that looks like an 8. Is 8. So our answer here is 27 times 3 is going to be 81. And 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 to the 4th power, does indeed equal 81. That is our standard form.